All right, here's a little session to help you work through the PPF model and see the Jefferson and Hamilton predictions regarding the effect of increasing the economy's land mass. I want you to go ahead and on your sheet of paper draw a PPF model with the two goods being manufactured goods and agricultural goods. Let's have you pause the video and go ahead and do that. Okay, I hope your PPF model looks something like what I've drawn there. With that in mind, let's go ahead and show the effect on the economy's production possibilities of having an expansion of the economy's land resources, modeling what happened in the United States from the period 1780s up, well, through past the Civil War. All right, again, pause the video and draw your new PPF. I think it's worth having you watch. I'm going to put my pen here. We want to notice that what's going to happen is the expansion of land is going to shift the PPF in this rightward direction, reflecting our underlying assumption that land is used for agricultural production and not for manufactured production. Now you could loosen that assumption and say that land is just more useful for agriculture than for manufacturing, in which case your PPF shift is simply going to be mostly rightward and only a little bit upward. That's going to give you the same basic result. So let's stick with the simpler model, which is a bit exaggerated. Like, what's that? That's a bit of a mistake. It should be more like this, but that doesn't matter. Okay, your next step, however, is to think about how the actual effects are going to play out in the economy, and to do so, what I want you to do is start off on the old PPF by identifying the initial production point. Go ahead and do that with a pause. Okay, let's suppose that originally we had a production point, let's suppose it's about like that, reflecting mostly an agricultural economy, right? Up here would be an economy that's non-agricultural. Maybe it should be more like here than here, it doesn't matter. For those of you who've done some econ, you'll recognize that the point we've chosen will be the one for which the relative price line is at a tangent like this. Relative prices of P agricultural over P manufacturing. If you haven't done the econ, don't worry about it. But those who have done it will recognize that when we take this same price line, go ahead and take this new price line and use that to find out the production point that's going to give you a maximum value of production, like you expect from competitive markets, with the new PPF. Let's pause while you do that. Okay, I hope you paused the video and then restarted. And if you think about bringing this line outward, you're going to get the pretty simple result that with these same relative prices, we get an increase in agricultural goods and a predicted decrease in manufactured production. There we've got the PPF illustrating the predictions that looks like both Hamilton and Jefferson had in mind with their competing perspectives on how desirable it would be to have a rapid expansion of the land base of the economy in the form of a rapid westward expansion. Okay, that's your PPF model. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe it's going to be our only YouTube for Eco 310. But in any case, be well and help flatten the curve. Bye for now.